This is a short program to show making a bush from brass CZ121 on a Denford Orac lathe. The start of the program is on CNC control, and then drilling and further threading is done manually, and then the parting off is done by the CNC mode. On the Orac, it's necessary to start the program with a series of buttons. So you first of all press number 7, press enter, takes you through to the program where you can press the stop control on the panel to arrive at the tool offsetting page. So 1 will set the tool offsets, which is done. Then we need to press F1 and enter to inform the lathe that the offsets are as prescribed in the program. The cursor is now flashing at tool 1. It's an incremental program in metric format. So all we need now is to press the cycle start button. Motor starts, runs up, it's doing 2000 RPM, just a facing pass. Now what it does is 2 passes to reduce the diameter down to suit the 4VA thread. So we're turning the 6mm rod down to 3.6mm diameter by 2 traversing cuts, each of 0.6 mm. Tool returns, traverse in, put the slight bevel on the end. Now it runs in at 6mm to clean off the front face. Returns out, ready for a tool change. What we do now is bring in the centre drill, to make a very small starting point for the 1.6mm drill. Now a case of hand drilling. Needs a drill for depth of 21mm. The drill flutes are only 20mm long. So drill to the required depths. I count the number of turns on the hand wheel. I need 14 turns of the hand wheel on the tailstock to drill to the required depth. Now setting up to use the die head that's mounted on in the chuck, and the head is actually mounted on a sliding so it can spin. Put it into the cutter. There it goes. See the brass coming out at the front of the die. When you've reached the point, the length of thread that you require, just release it. Hit the motor reverse. Turn it back. Now fit the parting tool. That now needs facing off on the bottom end to give the clean appearance. Remove the tool. You can see the 4BA die in the end. The other end is bored to suit larger diameter dies. Simple but effective. Part was mounted in the chuck to face off the end to the correct length. Manually start the motor, start the spindle, then manually feed in the tool to cut it off.